a normal troll is fun. Mista Beanzi, no Joes. Who are you? I'm a comic character. And what's your name? Mista Beanzi. What the heck is that? It's Mista Beanzi. Mista Beanzi! Huggies! Hey, get out of there, Oshawott. But I want to give it a huggy. No huggies now. Spanking. No huggies. Please, get rid of the huggies. Beep. Mista Beanzi, Dojo Master. Chocolate rape ouch. What the crap? Ah! Mista Beanzi, no Joes. Huggies! Oh, Mista Beanzi, noodles! Potato! Ah, Mista Beanzi, noodles defeated. Potato, potato. Oh, what the heck? Hey, Red, I heard Oshawott crying. What's wrong? Mista Beanzi! Oh, let me see the potato. Potato, potato, potato. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bam. Ow. Potato. Ow, I cracked my skull. Dojo Master. Voila. Oh, kids these days. Come on, Oshawott. It's time to go to the movies. Yay! Oh, why does Oshawott always sound like a baby? Joe influenced him. No, I didn't. When you came here a long time ago, he was influenced like that. Now die!